Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the access panel. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Unclip and remove the filter tray. Remove the old filter. Install your new AQ1262C filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame into the housing to clip it into place. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the access panel. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.